We chose life on land as jungles and forests are critical for our planet to function. Jungles and forests play a fundamental role in removing carbon from the atmosphere, which makes them an ally in the battle against climate change. Mass palm oil farming and production damages jungles, destroys animals' habitats, and causes mass extinction. The global palm oil industry is estimated to be around $61 million and will expand if action is not taken. Action against palm oil production is essential as it is destroying our planet, resulting in extreme weather patterns, which is impacting society as a whole. Our company aims to make the change by influencing the goods people buy. If society demands to know whether products have caused deforestation, producers will be forced to create products which are deforestation free to protect life on land.
Ethi-Palm is a subsidiary of C-16 Biosciences. C-16 Biosciences is a biotechnology firm that uses microbiology to brew sustainable alternatives to palm oil. As its subsidiary, we are focused upon following their passion and innovation to change the narrative and destruction around palm oil production. We have been generously handed a large sum of money by C-16 to enhance the production in our chosen location of Indonesia. Indonesia is the largest producer of palm oil at 41 million tons, 57% of the world's production. The EthiPalm role will be to foment and continue our parent company's mission and success and produce ethical and sustainable palm oil production for shampoo and conditioner products.
Furthermore, our company's mission is to create a palm oil-free shampoo and conditioner product for global usage. Government contracts, global partnerships, and large-scale investors will play a pivotal role in our expansion of our product. Our long-term goal is to change the narrative within our supermarkets and create a love for palm oil-free products that we both enhance worldwide rainforest habitats and protect life on land.
Strong ethical practice is heavily entrenched within both our company's mission as well as values, and we seek to embed this into our initial factory in Borneo, Indonesia. EthiPalm strives to manifest its long-term goal and strategy to provide the greatest transition of palm oil production to biomechanical processes which help protect natural habitats and wildlife, provide jobs for exploited workers, and spread global awareness of a problem which impacts our life every day.
Life on land affects all of us in some way. City dwellers can often be blinded from the destructive impact of deforestation. UN Sustainable Development Goal 15 aims to significantly improve the declining state of rainforests globally by restoring degraded forests and re-establishing natural habitats. We are aiming to sustain the Earth's biodiversity for future generations to enjoy. Despite the hardships the elimination of palm oil plantations may produce, we will work with local communities to provide alternative ways to earn a living. Overall, the positive impacts of a synthetic palm oil substitute would hugely benefit the Earth's endangered ecosystems and transform manufacturing into the future. By creating sustainable palm oil, we can stop deforestation and ensure that our jungles and forests have an opportunity to thrive.